Welcome to PBH. Today, we have an important and practical topic to discuss: hand expression of breast milk. Whether you're a new mom or an experienced one, mastering this skill can be incredibly beneficial for you and your baby. So, let's dive in. Before we get into the technique, let's quickly understand why hand expression is valuable. It helps stimulate milk production, relieve engorgement, and is particularly useful for moms with latch issues or those who pump. Plus, it's a skill that can be handy in various situations. First things first, find a comfortable and quiet space. Relaxation is key to a successful hand expression session. Also, make sure your hands are clean, and you have a clean container to collect the milk. Now, let's talk about the technique. Gently massage your breast to stimulate letdown. Place your fingers about an inch behind your nipple, forming a C shape. Apply gentle pressure and press back towards your chest. Repeat this motion, gradually moving around the breast. Experiment with different pressures to find what works best for you. Here are some additional tips for success. Stay relaxed, use warm compresses before expression, and try different hand positions. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be discouraged if it takes a few tries to get the hang of it. Once you've successfully expressed your milk, store it properly in a clean, labeled container. You can refrigerate or freeze it for later use. Always follow the guidelines for safe breast milk storage. That's a wrap for today's PBH guide on hand expression of breast milk. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Remember, every mom's journey is unique, so find what works best for you. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care, PBH family.